one, first day on the job.
We're terminating cables.
On the top, wherever we land, they're gonna build a new facade to cover the top of our screens. And I'm gonna have this like basically bendable conduit from here to there. So if we ever break one in the future, we could tape one and pull another one and never have to take the wall down. And I bought spare fiber to pull. We're just fishing some fiber fishing. Yeah, we're gonna go bust the crates down. I have a motorized pallet jack, we could pull them out. None of the crates were labeled with the frame, so we don't know which subframe we need, so we don't know which crate to open. And they're so heavy and there's so many. We don't have room to open them all up, deal with the trash, and bring them all up. So we're just opening up the face of them, seeing what's in there, marking them, closing them back up until we find the first couple ones we need. Smack my elbow on it. Let's see a little, if you have a Band-Aid.
So the bottom, we've got a measurement for the bottom. We need to make sure the top cabinet's gonna fit on the first frame. The measurements are a little different than the drawings, yes. It's gonna be fine. What we're doing is we're gonna pull a top frame, set it on top, verify everything, and if that works, we're good to roll.
Yeah, we're getting the smaller cabinets, smaller subframes, sorry, go onto the top and cabinets to hang and test. Once this one's done, then we can start passing up other ones and stacking them, but we can't do anything until this first one gets figured out.
Tight.
If Justin didn't have the seizure, then we couldn't get the lift up here because we're hitting the max weight limit.
Damn, how many times I gotta do this? 1, 2, 3.
Talking LED walls, baby.